Hi everyone, welcome back to my math class. It's for SAT prep. Today's topic is percent problems. There are so many percent problems in SAT, but I want to teach today 3 different types of percent problem. The first type is this. It's just A% of B is C problem. Usually 2 values of ABC will given for you, and then find the missing value. So to solve this type of problem, just change this sentence to equation. How? A% means A over 100. Of in math usually multiplication. And then B is equals C. Okay? Change this sentence A% of B is C to equation of A over 100 times B equals C. And then just find the missing value. Okay, second type of SAT percent problem is this type of problem. Original value is not given, and then after some percent of the price of some percent of the population, whatever, increasing or decreasing, and then they let you know just after increasing, after decreasing, how many people, how many price, how many amount is left. Okay, and then find the original amount or original money, original value. So for example, there's a car dealer that's selling sports car. The sports car price is, I don't know how much is that, but they decided just 20% discount. How many percent discount? There is a car, I don't know how much is this, but that dealer decided 20% off. They sold their car with a 20% discount. Their selling price was $63,000. And then the question asks you what is the original price before they give the customer 20% discount. So what is the original price? That's the question. Okay, let that is X dollars. And then make an equation. How can you make an equation? Be careful. Okay, I'm going to introduce 2 common errors from students. So some students try to find that X from $63,000. Because it's 20% discount, just try to add 20% from $63,000. That's wrong way. That's wrong way. Okay. Second method is not wrong way, but I really don't recommend that way because it's kind of more complicated sometimes. Okay. This problem is okay, but if the more complicated, harder problem is given, don't use that, okay? So many people try to find like this, X dollar, and then discount means subtract, how many percent? 20%. 20% of what? 20% of X. So, okay, 0.2X. That is equal to $63,000. That is okay, but I'm going to introduce a better way, okay? This is better. X dollar is 100%, and they just give the customer 20% off from 100%, but the customer still should pay 80% of the original price. So just directly multiplied by 0.8 at X. So 0.8X is equal to $63,000. And then find X. Yeah, it is easy, right? $63,000 divided by 0.8. You can use a calculator to use it to find this. Use calculator. Boom. Okay, third type is the last type I want to introduce today. There's a percent increase or a percent decrease problem. The third type is what? Percent increase or decrease. I give a table or graph usually given for this problem. It is 2010, this is 2015. And then at 2010, the city's population was 42,000 people. And then in 2015 year, it's increased, right? Increased. It became 50,000 people. So what is the percent increase of the population? So to find the percent increase, you use what? Just find the change first. change over original value. Original times 100. In this case, what is change? How much is population changed from 42,000 to 50,000? 8,000 is changed, right? That change is 8,000. So 8,000 over, which is the original before changing? 42,000. 42,000 times 100. So 3 zeros is 800 over 42. 842 is 400 over 21. This is the answer. If you want to find the decimal numbers, okay, you use calculator. Okay, I introduced 3 different types of percentage problem in SAT. Let me solve some problem. Number 20. Arma bought a laptop computer at a store, gave a 20% discount. How many percent discount? It says 20% discount off its original price. Total amount she paid to the cashiers is $P. She paid $P, including an 8% sales tax. 8% sales tax on the discounted price. Which the following represents the original price of the computer in terms of P. Let that original price X dollars. Okay, that's X dollars. How many percent discount off? 20% discount off. Don't subtract 20%, just multiply by 0.8 because still 80% the customer should pay, right? So just 0.8x is the discounted price, and then sales tax. What percent is that? 8% sales tax should be added on the discount price. This is the discount price, right? Don't add 8% because 8% sales tax means it is 108%. Directly multiplied by 1.08. Add that discount price times 1.08. And that should be $P because the customer paid $P. So it asks you what is X, what is original price in terms of P. Solve this equation for X. So what is X equals? X equals P divided by 0.8 and divided by 1.08. So P over 0.8 times 1.08. So what is the answer? D exactly say that, right? So what is the key point for this problem? You have to multiply 0.8 at original price because 20% discount off. And then add the money at the discount price, you have to multiply it by 1.08 because 8% sales tax is added. Just don't add 8%. Directly multiply by 1.08. That must be equal to P, and then solve that equation for X. And then I'm gonna find the D. Okay, Catalina is a botanist studying the production of pears by 2 types of pear trees. He noticed that type A trees produced 20% more pears than type B tree did. So type A tree produced 20% more than type B. Based on Catalina's observation, if the type A produced 144 pears, how many pears did type B tree produce? Let that number of pears X. Type A tree produced 20% more. It's not just 20% of X, 20% more. That means 120%. So X times 1.2. 1.2. Okay, what does X means? X is the number of pears just from type B tree. And type A tree produced 20% more than that. So X times 1.2. Type A tree actually produced 144 pears. So what is X equals? 144 divided by 1.2, which is 120. So B is the answer. At Lincoln High School, approximately 7% of enrolled juniors and 5% of enrolled seniors were included into the National Honor Society last year. If there were 7% of junior, 5% of senior is included into National Honor Society last year. And then how many people? 562 juniors and 602 seniors enrolled. Which of the following is the closest total number of juniors and seniors at Lincoln High School last year who were inducted into National Honor Society? So just is very easy problem. Just 5% of 7% of juniors, so 0.07 times 562. That's a junior plus 5%, right? So 0.05 times 602 times 7 plus times 5 is equal to, is about 40 or 39 plus 30, it is about 69. 39 plus 30, that is about 69. So B is the answer. The sum of three numbers is 855. One of the numbers, x, is 50% more than sum of other two numbers. Wait a second. Okay, sum of three number is 855. One of them is x. X equals 50% more than some of the other two numbers. Let the other two number is a plus b. 50% more, that doesn't mean 50% of a plus b. 50% more, that means 150% of some of these two numbers. So multiplied by 1.5. And we know sum of three number, a plus b plus x is equal to 855. Our goal is to find the value of x. I'll change this a little bit. Then x equals 1.53 over 2, 3 over 2, a plus b. So what is a plus b equals? Just multiplied by reciprocal of 3 over 2, which is 2/3 at both sides. They will be cancelled out. Or, so a plus b is equal to what? 2/3 x. I'm going to substitute 2/3 x for this x plus b. That will be 2/3 x plus x equals 855. X is 3 over 3x, right? 3 over 3x. So 2 over 3 plus 3 over 3 is 5 over 3. So 5 over 3x is equal to 855. So what is x equals? 855 times reciprocal of this fraction number, which is 3 over 5. And then 5 and this number cancel out. 5 times 1, and then 7, 1. Okay, 7 times 3 is equal to 513. So final answer is what? 513B. In 2015, the population of CDX and CDY were equal. Okay, the population of CDX and CDY 2015, CDX population and CDY population, that is equal to each other. From 2010 to 2015, the population of CDX increased by 20%. The population CDY decreased by 10%. If population of CDX was 120,000 in 2010, what is the population of CDY in 2010? Think about, I'm going to draw very quickly small table here. 2010 and 2015. And CDX and Y. CDX had 120,000 people in 2010. And then CDX population increased by 20%. So times 20% means 0.02. That is 2400. Okay, so 224122400. I don't know how many population CDY had in 2010. That's our goal to find. So that is Y. And what percent decreased? 10% decreased. So still 90% is left in the city, 0.9Y. And then 2015, those two cities has same equal population. So 0.9Y is equal to 122400. So Y is equal to 122400 divided by 0.9. Only possible answer is, I think, C. Okay, you can use a calculator. So I don't use calculator. I just find the closest possible answers, but you can use calculator to find the exact value. Anyway, you can sometimes draw small table looks like this, right? 2 years with 2 cities. Okay, 2010, 2015, city X, city Y. Just draw the table actually help you a lot. Okay, next problem. Of the following, which best approximates the percent decrease in consumption of wood power in the United States from 2000 to 2010? So we talked about wood power. So this in 2000 it was 2.25. What about 2010? The 2.00. It is about percent decrease, right? Percent decrease. It's 2.25 to 2.00. 2.25 to 2.00. What is the percent decrease? I just give you the formula, right? How to find the percent decrease, percent increase. What was the formula? Change over original before changing times 100, right? So what is the change? 2.25 to 2.00. 0.25 over original 2.25 times 100. So it is actually 1/5 times 100. It is about 20%. But what is closest number? Because it says best approximate. So C is the answer. We talked about 3 different types of percent problem today, right? The first one is what? A% of B is a C form. How can you solve that? A over 100 times B equals C. Change that sentence to equation and then find the missing value. If the value is increased by 20%, don't add the 20%, just multiply by 1.2. If that value is decreased to 20%, don't subtract 20%. Best way is just multiply by 0.8. Still 8% is left, right? And the last problem is about percent decrease, percent increase. What is the formula? To find the percent increase or decrease, the change over original value before changing times 100. It's very simple, right? Okay, I'm done today. So please subscribe and like and turn on the notification because I will post at least 1 or 2 video every single week. Okay? See you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.